Hello, it's Mrs.Z. Grade 5 mission 1 lesson 15 exit ticket. Um, Question number 1. Draw place value disks on the place value chart to solve. Show each step using standard algorithm. So use the place value disks on the place value chart and then also use the standard algorithm. So the first, we're gonna need it to divide 9/10 into 4 groups. Okay, so I'm going to create here uh, f- 4 lines. Okay, um, let's see, 4 spaces. Nope. Okay, 1, 2. I'm just gonna try smaller. Okay, enough. 1 and 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here are the 4 groups. And these will be my 4 groups. Okay, 4 groups. And then this is a 9/10. So 9/10 are right here. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to share them into 4 groups. So if you look on the standard algorithm here, you can think, oh, your group is 4. You have 0 holes. So if you have 0, you cannot make any groups of 4. But then if you have 9/10, you can make 2 groups. 2 times 4 is 8. So you can share 8 tenths into 2 groups of 4. So 9 minus 8 is 1 left. Let's see how that will work. So I have 4 groups, and then so that means I needed to share equally. I can share 2 in each group. So this 2 gonna go in this group. These 2 gonna go in this group. These 2 gonna go in this group, and these 2 gonna go in this group. So I share all this. 1 is left. So now that 1 I can continue share. So what that means is that here in 9 dimes, I only have 1 dime, so I can change that dime into be 10 pennies. But I usually rule is you add a 0, so they become 90, and then you bring down the 0. So now instead of 1 dime, you will have 10 tenths or 10 pennies if you think about money. So now you can keep sharing. So if I have this 1/10 left, I'm going to take that and I'm going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 hundredths. And now I can share how many groups of 4 I can make into the, if I have 10, I can make again 2 groups. 2 times 4 is 8. So when I subtract, now I have 2,200 left. Okay, so let's see how that's gonna go. Now, when I share, I have 4 groups. In each group will go 200. So these 2 gonna go here, these 2 here, these 2 here, these 2 here, and then I have 2 now left over. So now when I think about these two, if I give this one and this one, then these two won't get an any. So that's not fair. It's not fair share. So I have to change both of them into the thousands. So how that looks like on a standard algorithm, instead of having 9 tenths, I had 90 hundredths, or I can add one more zero, which will create, and then I had 900 thousandths, which I can bring. What this really means is that this 200, I'm going to divide in 10 pieces, and then I will have 20 thousandths. So now I'm going to try to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to extend a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each of these will give me 10. So I will have 20 thousandths here. That is 20 thousandths. 4 times what makes 20? 4 times what makes 20? How many fourths are in 20? There are 5, because 5 times 4 is 20. And I will not have anything left to share. So what that tells you that I, in these 4 groups, will each get 5 thousandths, and I will share all the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5. I'm gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5s, I'm gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then these 5 gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have no more leftovers, so I am done. Now my job is to find how much is in each group. So if I show you this, there is no ones, so that's 0. There are 2 tenths, there are 2 hundredths, and there are 5 thousandths. So the answer is 0 and 225 thousandths. So 0 and 225 thousandths. Okay, and that was a problem number 1. Okay. Let's see now. Solve using standard algorithm. So now we're going to use the rules of, but it's also standard algorithm. You could think about logic there. So if I take and make, I'm going to write, I have $9.08. Oh, 8, no cents, 8 times. Okay. So $9.08. I need to share that into 5 groups. If I want, I can always add the 0 here, so I will share $9.80. If I don't see, then it's not divisible. So now, because the group is 5 and it's whole number, my decimal gonna appear right above where it is. So I'm gonna go one number at a time. If I have 9, how many groups of 5 I can make? Only one group, because 1 times 5 is 5. I can make one group of 5. And when I take away a group of 5, I will have 4 left. So remainder is good, because leftover is 4 and my group is 5. So I couldn't make one more group. But now I have 4 holes. I can bring down, I can take my tenths and I can regroup the holes. So now I have 48 tenths. So now I can share my tenths equally into groups of 5. So if you don't know, you can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So you have 9 groups of 5, 9 groups of 5 in 48. But 9 times 5 is 45. It's not 48. So I will have a leftover. When you divide the decimals, you do not have leftovers. You have to keep going and regrouping. So now, instead of 3 these tenths, I'm going to add a 0, and I will change the 3 tenths in the 30 hundredths. So, and now I can think of, I have now 30 hundredths. How many hundredths will go in each group? 5 times what makes 30? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 groups of 5 are in 30. So I have nothing to share. So my answer is, if I have $9.80 or $9.08, and I share it with 5 people, each person will get $1.96. So if I look, let's make smaller. All right, bigger. Okay, so this was it. So you can go and write $9.08 divided into 5 is 1 and 96 hundredths. Because in order to share equally, you had to change these 8 times. So it's the same, like 9 and 80. 9 and 8 dimes same as 9 and 80 pennies. And when you divide into 5 groups, each group will get $1.96, because that is standard algorithm, and it's a number 2 in the X ticket. So I hope that helps. And that was number 2, and this was number 1. And it was exit ticket, mission 1, lesson 15, grade 5. And it was Mrs.Z. Right, guys, have a great night.